Understanding the phrase, call in sick, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase, call in sick. This phrase is often used in workplace contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage is essential for English learners. So, let's dive in. Call in sick is a phrase used when someone needs to inform their workplace that they cannot come to work due to illness. It's important to understand that this phrase involves two key actions: calling, which means contacting someone usually by phone, and declaring that you are sick and unable to perform your duties. The phrase implies a responsibility to inform your employer about your health status. When to use it? Use call in sick when you are ill and feel that you cannot perform your work duties effectively. It is also applicable if you need to take care of a sick family member. How to use it? It's usually done over the phone. However, in some modern workplaces, this could also be done via email or a messaging system. Be honest about your situation. If you're not really sick, it's better not to use this phrase. Let's see how call in sick can be used in sentences. I'm feeling very ill today. I think I need to call in sick. John called in sick yesterday because he had a fever. These examples show how the phrase is used in everyday conversations and emails. Cultural context. In many cultures, calling in sick is a legitimate reason for absence, but it's important not to abuse this privilege. Different workplaces have different policies on how many times you can call in sick before needing a doctor's note. Misuse. Avoid using call in sick as an excuse for non-medical reasons. This is considered unethical and can lead to serious consequences in a professional environment. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, call in sick, and how to use it appropriately in an English-speaking workplace. Remember, honesty and clarity are key when communicating with your employer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next one.